We all get excited when we update the system or apps on our phones. We expect new improvements and bug fixes, but sometimes, right after the update, you find new games and strange apps installed on their own without your permission. What's the reason behind this? And how can you prevent it? That's what we'll explain in detail here. Why do apps and games appear after updates? 1. Some phone manufacturers or developers include certain apps as part of updates for advertising or revenue purposes. These apps are often prearranged through agreements with developers to be installed without the user's knowledge. 2. Sometimes you might download an update from an unofficial source or an untrusted app store. These updates could be filled with malicious programs or annoying apps. This is a common tactic for attackers to install suspicious apps on your device without you noticing. 3. On some devices, companies install games and apps by default. With every update, these apps reinstall themselves, even if you previously uninstalled them. How to prevent automatic app installation? 1. Disable automatic app updates. Open Google Play Store. Tap on your profile picture. Settings. Network preferences. Select Don't Auto-Update apps. 2. Check pre-installed apps. Go to Settings. Apps. Pre-installed apps. Look for any new apps that appeared after the update and remove them. If the option to uninstall is not available, force stop the apps you don't want. 3. Use security apps to detect suspicious apps. Download apps like Malwarebytes or Bitdefender to perform a comprehensive scan of all newly installed apps and notify you of any untrusted apps. 4. Use Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. During updates, this can help prevent unwanted apps from being downloaded in the background. The appearance of games and apps after updates has become a widespread issue, especially on Android devices. The solution is simple but requires regular monitoring and inspection of installed apps. Follow the mentioned steps and always ensure that you download updates from trusted sources only.